Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Vanshika. So actually, you know what, I didn't have a plan to make this video, but suddenly I thought to make a video. In the morning, my hairs were so much oily, and then I thought that what hairstyle should I make for my hairs. Like, you know, when your hairs are oily and you need to go somewhere, like you just know that yes, you need to go somewhere, then what hairstyle you can wear. So I made this kind of a fishtail braid. So I thought, why not to tell you about this. It's quite messy right now because I made it in the morning, but right now I'm gonna tell you that how to make this fishtail braid. And yes, there's gonna be a twist on this video. So the twist is that I was thinking, why not to give it a punch. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna speak in English for the whole video. Like definitely I'll tell you the hairstyle, but I'll speak in Hindi only, sorry, English only. So now let me explain you a bit in Hindi so that you completely understand it. तो आज की वीडियो में मैं जो कुछ भी आपको एक्सप्लेन करूँगी हेयर स्टाइल में, जैसे जैसे भी टर्न्स आएंगे, जो कुछ भी मुझे आपको एक्सप्लेन करना होगा वो सब मैं आपको इंग्लिश में एक्सप्लेन करने वाली हूँ. तो ये चैलेंज मैंने इसलिए सोचा था बिकॉज ये बहुत ही ज़्यादा हार्ड होने वाला है. बिकॉज यू नो हेयर स्टाइल्स में काफ़ी जगह टर्न्स लेने होते हैं, लेफ़्ट और राइट एंड समवेयर. सो वो थोड़ा सा कंफ्यूजिंग हो जाता है, इसलिए मैं आज ये चैलेंज लेकर आई थी. आई थॉट व्हाई नॉट टू गिव इट I have not even started the challenge and you can see my how I'm speaking. So what I'm gonna do is I'm just gonna speak in English the whole video, and I think this is gonna be amazing. This is gonna be a fun video. So yeah, let's get started. So I got my hairs open and you can see these are too much oily. So now I'm gonna make this braid. So for making this braid a little more good, or you know, a little bit stylish, so what you need to do is firstly you need to draw a line like that. Like you need to make your hairs into partition like this. Nextly I'll obviously use a comb. So I'll just comb my hair correctly. Actually they are correctly combed because in the morning only I made the hairstyle, so at that time only I combed my hairs perfectly. So now I'm gonna take them all at a single side. So you might be thinking why I'm taking it on a single side. We can also make it at the back. So it's such kind of a hairstyle where you need to make turns, and I cannot make it at the back because I do not have these much you know, like what to tell it in English. Okay, it's quite hard, but yes, I could not make it on the back side. If you can do it, then you can. Actually when I saw my mother making this kind of braid, I asked to her that what's the technique to make it. She told me, and I tried making this hairstyle for almost 4 to 5 times, and then I got perfect to make such kind of a hairstyle. So it's quite hard, but yes, if you will make it 2 to 3 times, you will definitely be good, and also can be perfect in making such kind of a braid. So let's get started. So as I told you, we need to take all our hairs at a point. Actually I love side braids and side ponies so much, that's why I'm taking it all on side. You can make it at the back side. So what I'll do is I'll make my hairs into, like I'll separate them into 2 parts like this. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna, you know, these 3 fingers will catch this braid, and these 2 fingers I'll leave them free. And what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna catch the whole braid, and with my next hand I'm gonna take a little, very small strip of oh my god, a strip of hair like this, and I'm gonna catch it with these 2 fingers, and again I'll catch this one part of her hair. Now I'll catch this one braid with these 2 fingers like this, and I'll take the next you know, the first part of the hair like this. I'll catch this and I'll make all my hairs at the side. I'll take this on the next side. And which braid we take in, you know, firstly we take a strip, so we need to take this to the next side. I hope you might have understood. It's quite hard to do, but as you will you know, do it 1 to 4, actually 2 to 3 times, you will get to know. So again I am taking a small stripe, then I am going to take the next portion, go at the next side and take it to the another side. Again I am going to do the same. Actually it's quite a work of patience because it takes time. Like this braid takes time to be done. So you can see right now there is some gap over here, but it will be, you know, soon be covered with hairs. As you will go down, it will be covered with hairs. So again, I'm going to take a strip at that side and leave this strip on another side. So it's quite hard to do, but approximately 3 to 4 times if you will do, you will be perfect in it. Like this, again and again. So it's quite easy also and quite hard also. If you are doing it for the first time, it is gonna be so much hard, but as you will, you know, move, so it will be good for you. And if you have not put oil in your hair, so it will be the best, because if you do not have oil, you can make a puff at the front side, and then at the back you can make the same kind of a braid. So that will be definitely amazing. So now I'll complete this. Guys, make sure, you know, when you are making this, you need to make sure for a single thing that you need to take a small stripes like this. You can't take a big one stripe, you need to take a small ones. That looks more beautiful and more perfect too. And yeah, that looks too much good in fact. So you need to carry on the process. So guys, as you can see, I have made this braid till here. Now you can see my small hairs are left here. You can see these kinds of hairs, small hairs. So what I'll do is, when your small hairs will start coming, so they will not get into your braid. So what you need to do is, as you see that your small hairs are not coming in your braid, you just take all of your hairs and just secure it with a rubber band. I'm gonna use this beautiful rubber band. So guys, now you can see how this braid exactly looks like. And if you want, you know, when you are making a normal braid, actually I'm just putting a hairband right over here. If you are making a normal kind of a braid, you okay, wait, let me make it out. Okay, when you are making a normal braid, so you may see that you know, it sometimes look too much heavy and it sometimes looks too much light. So if your hairs are also light like mine's, okay, my hairs are so much light, so yeah, so what you need to do is, you just take some of the hairs and you just pull them like this. You might, you know, you can maybe you can see the before and after. Like you may see, you know, before my hairs were like this, braid was like too much thin, and now it's too much heavy. So if you like a heavy braid, you just need to do like this. You need to pull it, like you need to carry this and pull it. Okay, so you can see my braid is all ready. And this was the hairstyle. And you can, you know, you can make it more stylish if you want. Suppose if actually in your oily hairs you cannot make puffs, but if it's not your oily hair, so you can make a side puff. Like you can make a puff here and then you can make a braid over here. Whether you can make a puff here, but I think that's quite hard to manage this braid after that, because you need to hold your hairs too much tightly, and if you will do that, so your hairs may get open. So yeah, this was it for today's video. I wanted to show such kind of a hairstyle to all of you. Maybe many of you know about this hairstyle, and also you know how to make such kind of braid, but I thought why not to share this with all of you. It's you know, this braid is very good for all the college going girls, or you know, if you have coaching and anywhere, in a school, tuitions, anywhere, so you can make this. It's a little bit, it takes time, but yes, definitely, like you know, when I just started to make this hairstyle, so it takes almost 15 minutes to be done, and right now I can make it almost in 15 minutes. So no, what I'm saying, I don't know, normally it took 15 minutes, but now I can make it too fast. I can make it in less than 15 minutes. So yeah, this was the hairstyle that I wanted to show you. And if you like this, then please like to my channel, share to my videos, and also don't forget to subscribe to my channel. And don't forget to tell me in comments that what do you want the next. I'll definitely see your comment, and definitely fulfill your wish. Okay, bye.